See how high it gets.
1, 2, 3. Are you taking video? I'm gonna let it go. Okay. Real stiff. Let me get it tighter. Okay. I'm real close. This is real tight. This is real tight. You're no fun. So I'm gonna let it go. I want to do mine 200. Okay. It's going up.
Wow.
Hi. That was real high. That was awesome. I can make mine up to the top of that. I'm going to do it again. David, are you going to let it go? Oh. So close. I'm going to wind it real tight. Starting to wind. It's getting those knots. And it's going to go in the air soon, like I want it to. And it's going to go high. It's going to go high. Okay. Oh, yes, that's almost real tight. Hey, David, look.
Wow.
That's real.
Oh, that's going to go high. I can't see how high
You
it
ready?
goes.
You ready?
David, watch TV.
David, watch mine. Okay.
Really tight. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh! I just sit safely. Ah! Yeah. How did I get mine to the